am going to tell an important training for basically the beginners who are thinking about learn something new. So especially for students or especially for people who like to reskill, we talk about AI technologies, we talk about data science, we talk about blockchain, we talk about different technologies. But if you want to do an AI or if you want to do robotics or if you want to do something, the right now you can't just go and build your AI service. You need to use the AI service on the cloud. So having a fundamental knowledge or basic knowledge about cloud computing is really important for anyone. After you know the fundamental cloud computing, you also know how to build your application, how to build your AI solution and use the AI service. With that, you also have to know about modernization, like application modernization, because most of the companies or most of the applications are already there in the market, but it uses the old version of development or no, we have to basically move the database into new database, serverless, all this kind of modernization. So for IT professionals and developers and data analytics or data practitioners, I'm going to give you a 2 days course. I'm going to suggest it. This is from Google. Basically, Google is going to conduct a 2 days session for you. So you can see it is a cloud technical series. I'm going to give you overview about this course and why it is important for you to utilize this 2 days with this Google session. So basically, you can see there is 9 days, 13 hours is left to start the session, which means it is happening on 28th of this March and 29th of March 2023. From 9 days from now, you can go and register in this link. I can give this link, registration link in my description so that you can able to go and register to this course. But why I suggest this? This course, 2 days course, consists of 4 topics. One is the cloud fundamentals, Google Cloud fundamentals, or if you are familiar with AWS or Azure, doesn't matter. The term, the all are same in a sense. So Azure call it as Azure VM, AWS call it as EC2 mission, Google call it as Google Engine, but all talks about one virtual machine running on the cloud. So Google, of course, they give the fundamental on Google thing, but it covers the fundamental. And then you get the data cloud and data analytics, which was really one kind of, because now we are playing around with data. Having a data analytics skill in your profile really values. This data is needed for many things. For example, AI suggests, okay, you can do your business. You can make for 50 rotis today for your customers because today is Sunday, no one eat it. So these kind of algorithms you can build in AI using data analytics. So that's why the third topic they cover is applied machine learning and AI. Then the fourth one is application modernization. So if you see this, you have different time zones. You can be in IST. For IST, it is like morning 8:45 to 10:55, then 10:55 to 1. So from India, you can use the IST time. So basically, the course will be from 8:45 to 1 on 2 days. After 1, you are free to do whatever you like to do. And make sure if you want to reskill or if you're new, really new to learn, this is going to help you out on these technologies, especially AI. A lot of people didn't have the chance to go through the basics of AI because when they say machine learning slash AI, what is machine learning and what is AI, how they correlate. So these kind of things is a basic before we go and develop something on AI. So this course, if you see, they have introduction. They have given the brief agenda. I'm not going to go through all these things, but in high level, they say introduction to cloud computing, infrastructure, no go pay transformation to cloud, where I run my stuff. So they're going to give some basics on why the cloud computing comes and how Google developer panel works. They also have quiz results and breaks, so which means they also will give you some chance to answer or have. So also they have my experience as a woman in tech. That is really good because we are talking about women in IT more. Like in this Women's Day, a lot of people were sharing, a lot of women working in IT sharing their experience. So if you are a woman, so this will inspire like how the woman in tech going to be the going to increase in coming days. Uh, and we have data, cloud, and analytics. So they are talking about BigQuery, why we need BigQuery, and we can ask experts. Ask experts. You have to make sure that you ask even the small questions, stupid question which you want to ask. Then we have AI. We have introduction, government AI, AI UX. No, this is something which I am also interested to join and see what is because AI UX is very much good because if you are designing a robot or something you want to show to your customer and say, "Hi, this is me who was talking to you. I am an AI. I am designed for this." So the UX plays a very good role in it, and we can create a lot of animation and stuff to make the AI to talk. So I am very much interested to see what AI UX Google offers, the Veritex AI and the Discovery. So Neo for 4J is Log4j, Neo4j. So how this works and featuring 99.co Vision AI, all this, and we can also see there's featuring AirAsia and Tata Consultancy Service. So they're going to provide some certification and learning path on AI. This is really good to know, even though it's my preference to do certificate or not, but I can know what certification I can take and what is my learning path in AI. That's why I make this video so that you can make use of this session to have it. And we have a quiz break, and then we have results. Then application modernization. Here you can see application modernization is key. Like we from VM to container, now container to serverless. So they are also going to talk on this reliability, running, no, how you can make use of your containers. If you are from on-premises, if you are from virtual machines, you will understand more on running the applications on containers. And there are some spotlights from Magendra Group, how they use no database behind your cloud journey, how we can increase the productivity to low code application, and then introducing the Cloud Hero Challenge. So I think they are going to have some Cloud Hero Challenge. This is they are well defined. Google has well defined this 2 days course. Please do register, and there is 7 reasons you have to attend. So basically, build your skills quickly, deep dive, hands-on session, learn, connect, discover, earn. So Google will give some Google batches for you, which you can make use of free and which you can also use in Google Learning Path to learn some things. And unlock 1 month free period for hands-on labs. That's really good. If you do your own Google account or use your credit card, it may cost you, and it has some limitations that you can't use this service. So 1 month you will get learning hands-on experience and access to multimodal channels. Like if you are from different language, you can use it. So go, and you can also register to Cloud Hero Challenge, which means they're going to talk about Cloud Hero Challenge in this session. Then after understanding, we can able to register it. So guys, make use of it. This almost covers the latest thing, new career opportunities. What no, we are talking about cloud, AI, or application modernization or data analytics. It gives you fair knowledge, and then you can decide which one you likes and which one you want to go. I hope this session might help you. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you so much. See you guys. Bye.